you out
This, you have to pull this connector out. Now, this is going to be squeezable.
My shoe take off.
I think we're gonna have to. Dad, I did it!
You did it. What did you do? Just pull on it?
I pushed this thing.
And it came out?
Yeah.
Good job. You did it correctly.
Yeah.
Okay, hold the seat.
I can't believe I did this correctly.
Yeah, that's amazing, Sinok.
I'm super amazing. I always give you something like. I will give you something like.
Okay, looks like this. Okay, so this.
Dad, can I get in?
This slides out over here, easy.
Yeah.
Exactly. Hey guys, I want to show you how to remove this PT Cruiser type of switches here. There's two of them, and inside there is this red type of tab. Hey guys, I want to show you how to remove these PT Cruiser connectors, because when you're going to be pulling on it, they don't want to remove like this, because there's this little red tab on the inside, and it's actually sitting in there quite deep. I think for this one it actually sits on this side. No, it's actually sitting on this side, and it's actually keeping you from you know, having to push down on this connector. So what you're going to need to do is take this, use this little tab to pry it with a flathead screwdriver, push it out, and just go ahead and pull it completely out. And then when you do that, just press down on this, and this, you know, gets out like that. And this little connector on the yellow side, it comes out over here like that. So that's how you do it.